Stop and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. In this short video, you're going to discover a brand new revolutionary software technology to create unlimited stunning videos in any niche in just 30 seconds, plus thousands of premium video templates with a unique inbuilt video editor, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you're a graphic designer, YouTuber, agency owner, ad specialist, or small or medium business owner, you know that personal avatar, visual assets, and videos are the lifeblood of any online/offline business. But it's not all as easy as it looks. Here are some of the issues that you may have encountered. Using copyrighted avatar, visual, and characters will get your videos penalized. It's really tough to find good copyright-free avatar and visual asset. Creating your own original custom 3D avatars and videos requires a lot of skills and talent. Creative subscription services cost hundreds of dollars every month. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork demand a hefty amount for a single 3D avatar or a video. I personally have spent thousands of dollars every month for a good quality 3D avatar. Now, if you too have been struggling to tap into this huge untapped opportunity and remove all risks associated with it, you need to stop blaming yourself right now, as we've revolutionized the way 3D avatars are created without heavy expenses in record time. And now we want to give that power straight to you. Yes, after 24 months of countless sleepless nights and brainstorming sessions with loads of empty coffee cups, we've finally fixed the missing pieces of the complex puzzle that affected thousands of marketers today. So we're superbly excited to present this groundbreaking technology to you. Introducing Pabble, the world's first AI-based custom amateur builder platform to create unlimited stunning video in any leash in just 30 seconds, plus thousands of premium video templates with a unique inbuilt video editor. You're just 3 simple steps away from starting your own author, assets, and video agency. Step 1. Log in and select gender category. Step 2. AI will automatically create your unique 3D avatars. Even you can manually create your own avatar for your videos. Step 3. Play or download in one click. Create unlimited videos and use it for yourself or sell to your clients and keep the profits with Avatar Jam. Here's what makes Pabble a cut above the rest. You'll get fully cloud-based system-generated and customized unlimited 3D avatars and characters for your project, millions of pre-made characters with inbuilt video editor, thousands of video template, ready-to-use quality intro and outro video templates, ready-to-use AI-based image to cartoon converter, fully AI-based platform, step-by-step training, complete designing suite, 2 million plus stock images, 1 million plus stock videos, 20K plus vectors, 8,000 plus royalty-free audios, preview feature, multiple formats, high-quality download, unlimited downloads with no-fee social sharing feature and build image editor, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Pabble is available for just a one-time price without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch of 7 days. And after this introductory phase, it's going back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock's ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access for this one-time low price before it turns into monthly recurring. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.